Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am excited to be doing a little collab with my friend Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. We had so much fun on our last collab that we decided for the month of August we are going to do a final farewell to summer. And so we're going to create and share our creations each Wednesday through August of summer cards, whether it's mermaids or bees or flowers or whatever summer cards strike our fancy. We just thought this would be fun, have a little fun seeing what each other creates and making a few summer cards before we transition into the autumn and fall and holiday cards. So for my card today, I can't show you the stamps because they are digital stamps. They are from Krista Smith, who used to be Saturated Canary, but now she just is Krista Smith, and she has a Patreon page, and I'm super excited because Patreon now allows them to have a shop, and so she has a shop on there, and anyone can purchase her digital stamps that she has uploaded. You don't have to be a member of her Patreon, but if you are a member of her Patreon, there are some amazing benefits to that. I've been had a membership to her Patreon for a year, I think, maybe getting close to a year, maybe, and I find that I haven't been using them. Well, that's changing. I love to color them. Some of my favorite cards that I've ever made were with Krista Smith images, so you will be seeing a lot of her images. But today I did use 4 of her designs. I used To the Lake, Spring Break, Lake Tubing, and Cola and Bikini. So along with those digital stamps, I used the My Favorite Things Sand, Surf, and Sky 6x6 paper pad. And I used, for the sentiments, this Itty Bitty Summer from My Favorite Things. And I used my most used dies, the My Favorite Things A2 stitched rectangles. This is set 1. And onto my cards. I did make 4. Most of them are very similar, but this one I had to print just a little bit bigger, so she's not quite the same. I'll show you all of them, and then I will show them a little bit better close up. So they all use that paper. They were all colored with Copics and Prismacolor Pencils. I tried to, like I said, to do all the layouts the same. Just this one, I had printed her bigger. They all have the dots on them from Gina Marie Designs, and they all have touches of glossy accents. I'm finding that I am really enjoying using those. All right, so let's take a little closer look at them. So here's this one, Soak Up the Sun. The glossy accents are on the Life, what is it, Life Preserver, Life Buoy, whatever. So there's that one. And just decorated the inside with more like banners from that paper. Next we have Make a Splash. And I have glossy accents on the tube and her glasses. And then again, just matches the paper for the inside. Life is Good. I did the glossy accents on the can for this one. And there's the inside. And then I think this is my favorite as far as my coloring. Hopefully you can see I got the freckles on there since she's got a little bit more of that red hair, sending good vibes. And those glossy accents are on her glasses. But I really, really like how my coloring turned out on her. And there's the inside. So there were my summer cards for this week. And I'm excited to see what Teresa will make. Everything is linked in the description box as to Teresa's channel, products that I use that you can still find. Well, I'll link to the ones, I'll list everything. Yeah, in the description box, you can find things. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. See you later. Bye.